I'm Tom Northrup, and I've been involved in the hospital for a long time, first on the Hospital Foundation Board, later on the main board, and I was also board chair for 5.5 years. My great-grandfather was on the board in the early 20s, apparently instrumental in helping build the new hospital, which is now the old hospital. My father was on the hospital board for a long time, so there's been a long family commitment. My experience as a patient, unfortunately for me, fortunately for the hospital, I've had 8 different surgeries, 7 of which have been at Washington Hospital. The hospital has literally saved my life on multiple occasions. My main takeaway from this is the doctors were just spectacular, really, really good. I got great care. The nurses, I always felt, made the biggest difference. They saw me every hour. Nurses' aides were great. It was just a wonderful, wonderful experience that I had. And the goal of the hospital, and knowing from my experience of the board of great patient care, I always felt that I received that. The interactions I've had with different staff members have just been great. Dr. Baccaris comes to mind. He was so calming and so kind, and that is sort of the overall feeling I get from everybody on the staff.
I'm grateful for having an amazing place to work with people that really focus on the work and care that they provide to people. It's a very home-like environment with teams of people that you can tell are invested in the community, and we all have the opportunity to have these little impacts in people's lives.
One of the things that I did when I was working was I had a really stressful job, and so I started working with clay. It was such a wonderful stress release. And so after I retired in 2018, I have continued to work with clay. Actually, I'm able to do a lot more than I had originally. I do that as a stress relief, and having this great health care here has enabled me to continue with that. The reason Washington Health System has been so important to me is that my goal has always been I want my grandson to remember me. My wife and I watch our grandson every Monday, and it's important for us to be part of his life, and I want to be around for him, whether that's a silly goal or not, but that is really important to me. So I take my health seriously.
Life is too short to have to worry about the care you need when one of those really big obstacles comes your way. I've been fortunate to be here for the past 10 years. And if you look at the track record of what this hospital and health system has been able to accomplish in that period of time, it really speaks for itself. And it really comes back to the people that work here and the teams that get together to make sure that that mission of great patient care is always happening.
We're very happy with how the hospital has been perceived in the community, how they have participated, and the good that they've done.
If you or your family experienced great patient care at a WHS location like Tom has, we encourage you to recognize your care team and show your appreciation through a contribution to Washington Health System Foundation in their honor. There are many members of the care team who help to provide great patient care, from your doctor or your nurse to the person bringing you lunch or drawing your blood. Our healthcare professionals have worked tirelessly to care for this community. Visit WHS.org to make your gift and share a note of appreciation for your care team. We'll ensure your kind words and generosity are shared with those team members.